Hey guys, Michael Abrams here with another walkthrough Wednesday here at Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales out in Newcastle. Today we're going to be talking about the Clipper 12.0 TD Max. So this little guy here gives you everything you need to get out with the family, get out, camp, do a little outdoor activities. We're going around the outside. Some of my favorite stuff, you still get the outside Bluetooth speakers. You do get TV backer, a place you can hook up a TV outside. Nice blue lights to give you a little bit of ambiance and actually see while you're doing some work outside. You look up on your canvas, you have the zipper along the top strip. They actually give you what they call an adder room, so it would add another 56 square foot of a little covered, shaded tent space with some mesh tent covering. Going around the side here, another one of my favorites on the Clipper. It is entirely covered in automotive paint, so this siding is all automotive paint. Just nice, it's going to protect it for a long time. You got some nice, more off-road tires for going off the beaten trail a little bit. Now, come around the other side, you've still got a good amount of storage. Going through the outside, they include a table for you to have as well. And if you can step back and see the top, you do have a roof rack spot for 2 kayaks or whatever you can fit on top there. You have a standard 13.5 BTU AC on top, just like your big travel trailers. On the bottom side, even though it's a little 12-foot camper, they still give you 4 front and back stabilizers. So you could definitely get by with just 2 on this little guy, but they give you 4 just for some extra stability. And if we peep inside here, you see we have a queen bed up front. Still got everything you need. You have a microwave, plenty of headspace with your canvas popped up, 2-burner stove there, and the fridge below. Sink to wash your hands, do dishes. Charging station on the wall over there for your phone or whatever devices you have that need charging. Stereo here to control your speakers. This is laid down to a little extra sleeping spot for whoever comes with you as well, but it also pushes up for a bench for a place to sit, have that table. That pretty much covers it. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Thanks for hanging out, guys.